Hi, we're about to do a low impact Tabata workout, and you're going to need a step of some sort, either a portable one like this one or a step at your house. I'll put a link in the description for that one. We're going to start with Hindu squats and go. Hindu squats. Now you can do these the traditional way with your arms straight out, but you can see that I'm doing a modified Hindu squat in which I raise my hands up over my head and pretend like I'm putting on a hat. When I go down, I squat with my butt back, touch my ankles, and then swing my hands up over my head. Stop. Now step ups, just like they sound. And these are the two exercises. That's it. Go. You're going to step up. And what I want you to notice is how when I step up, the opposite leg, I drive that knee as high as I can. I'm trying to put it up my nose. It'll never get there. But that's what I want you to do. Drive your knee up as high as you can to activate that quadricep and that glute. I want you to notice, stop. I'll tell you the next time. Hindu squats again. Go, and you notice as I do the Hindu squat, I sit my butt back. My feet are flat on the ground. I have a 45-degree angle between my head and my butt with the ground, keeping my back straight. That's what I want you to do. Now squat is only as low as is comfortable for you, but if you can squat down all the way, do it all the way. Stop. Okay, back to these step-ups again, and I want to point out something to you. And go, you step up with that knee drive that knee up. And I want you to notice I'm not jumping up or jumping down. One foot is in contact with the ground at all times, and that will minimize any jolting. You shouldn't jolt at all. This should all be under control, but you should be driving that leg up. Stop. Hindu squats again. Go. And I want you to notice that I'm going as fast as I possibly can, but I'm not sacrificing form for speed. You want to be as effective as you can with these exercises. And you notice with that deep squat, you're going to be engaging that whole quadricep and your glute. And believe me, stop. You're going to be puffed out at the end of this. Step ups. Go. And I want you to go through the whole 8 minutes of this, and if somehow this workout isn't long enough for you, all you need to do is rewind it and repeat it, and it could be as long as you want. And stepping up and driving that knee up. Stop. Hindu squats again. We're going to talk a little bit about breathing. And go, squat down, sweep those ankles. You should probably be touching the top of your sneakers really at the ankle. Breathing is kind of counterintuitive, so what I want you to do is exhale as you compress and inhale as you stand up. That's the opposite that you do a squat with weights. Stop. Step ups. And go, step up, drive that knee up. Drive it up as hard and as high as you can as you step up. And again, no jumping onto the step, no jumping down from the step. One foot is always in contact with the ground at all times. Drive it. Swing those arms too. Notice I'm swinging my arms. Stop. Okay, you're gonna take a break. You're gonna take a sip of water, 30-second break before round 2. And if you're looking for a program that you can do at home to help you lose fat, complete with meal plans, supplements, on-demand exercise program, expert coaching, and live support, check out the Get Healthy at Home program with a link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for more workouts and workout tips. Get ready for round 2. Second verse is going to be same as the first, 10 seconds. Make sure you get your sip of water. We're going to start with Hindu squats. Are you ready? And go. Hindu squats. Fast as you can. Good form. Squat all the way down. Push that butt back. 45-degree angle with the back, keeping your back straight. And do a modified like I do. Swing your hands up over your head so your blood gets pumped above your heart and below at the same time. Stop. Step ups. Step up and drive that knee up. And as far as breathing with this one, what I would do is when you drive that knee up is when you blow out, exhale. Inhale, step back down, drive the knee up, exhale. And don't sacrifice your form for speed. Stop. Hindu squats. Get ready. And go. Exhale as you compress. Inhale as you stand back up straight. Stick that butt back. Head forward, butt back. 45-degree angle with the back. Back straight. Don't hunch over. Stop. Step ups again. Go. Step up, drive the knee. Step up, drive the knee. Your heart should be beating fairly hard right now. If it's not, you're not working hard enough. So step up, drive that knee. Now you don't want to go slow, you want to go fast as you can, you just don't want to mess your form up. Stop. Hindu squats. Go, squat down, swing your arms up above your head, put that hat on your head. Exhale as you compress. Very good. Keep going, fast as you can. Good form. You should be feeling it in those quads by now, because that's a lot of squats you're doing. Stop. Step ups. And go. Step up. And step up. Keep going. Drive that knee up. Stop. And do squats. Go. Stick that butt back. Good form. Squat low enough. There's a traditional Hindu squat there, but I'd like to do these modified ones better. Squat low enough that you can touch your ankles, the little well of your shoe when you reach down. Stop. If you're flexible enough, that is. And step ups. Go. Step up. Drive the knee. Step up. Drive that knee up. Good. All the way through. Keep going. All right. That's the workout. Hey. What I want you to do is like this video if you like it and click on this playlist for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.